Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable comments on your photos and videos on Instagram app. So first of all, update your app, then open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile just like this one. Okay, now you need to select any photo or the photo that you want to that on which you want your comments to be disabled. So I am going to open up a photo. Suppose I open this pic, right? Now I want to disable comments on this pic. So you need to click on the three dots that you see at the top of this pic on the right hand corner. Click here. Now the last option that you see is that turn off commenting, right? Click on it. Now the comments have been turned off for this one. So if you want to enable it again, click on the three dots again. Now click on turn on commenting, and now you can see the comments appear right now. So this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips on Instagram. Thank you.